This is a 180 decibel explosion-proof sound and light alarm. Its sound coverage is very wide. It can be used in chemical plants or oil refineries. We can customize different residual sound, light colors, and voltages according to customer requirements. The installation of this lamp is very simple. Just fix it with screws. It can be installed on the ceiling or on the side wall. It can be utilized alone or in combination with the firefighting amenities in your organization. Our lighting apparatus has an aluminum casing and tempered glass, satisfying the criteria for explosion-proof. It can be employed indoors or outdoors. If your manufacturing facility requires such lighting apparatus, you can take notice of us. Thank you, all individuals.